sakaling you're worried, you're doubtful, you're afraid because of your past or because of your mistakes, ano sasabi ng Diyos? Balik ka sa akin. Nagkamali ka, balik ka sa akin. Hindi naman kita tatanggihan. Balik ka sa akin. In fact, for us Christians, lalong napakapalad natin. Why? Because the Lord Jesus Christ already accomplished everything the law requires. Kaya we are righteous before God as righteous as Jesus. Are you following? Andiyan ka pa kayo? Okay, sabi ng Lord, nadapa ka, balik ka na. Balik ka na, huwag ka na magpatagal-tagal pa, balik ka na. What I'm trying to say is this. Kung sakali na you are dwelling in your past, wala na pa ang pag-asa, dami kong pagkakamali ng nakaraan. Forget it. Lahat tayo nagkamali in the past. Are you following? Banish your doubts. Sa totoo lang, si Moses,